problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Ka Iingkashari Judicial Magistrate aka artarik unaitung arhajar arpusan kalai jingbit khatsau sngi na gabenta ka Judicial Custody yo Silome James banyo sngi ka Judicial Custody yo Lokendra Tomar badyo Balbir Ahirbar badya kanila pentep daw na sadan ukti chanda laban kedau Bagini kila Ngut kila syakem halor kejing keno dan ketiban penduk pendam yang kisabut hagabedai bagajing syapaniap uraja Raghuvanshi hasora. Silome James udah nong kayi ket bau Lokendra Tomar udah try jong ka flat basa ka Sonam Raghuvanshi hadian bakladak penyiap raja bat patch indoor. Bat Balbir Ahirbar udah nong apahara jong ka flat basa ka Sonam ublerap James ban bure ekitiar ka Sonam. Yakini kila Ngut lawan ra syaki Iingkashari Judicial Magistrate hagajan mit jong ka artarik unaitung bantian bishar. Hadin balakot no karai jong Iingkashari banset aka police custody na kabentahan riu sngi.
You see, the accused Silome James, Illa and Lokendra, they were produced before the Honorable Court today after their police custody is over today. So IU has prayed for 14 days judicial custody, and after hearing at length by the prosecution side, I appeared, and from legal aid Mr. Sudeep Rana appeared. So after hearing at length, court has remanded Silome James 14 days judicial custody and other two accused, that is Lokendra and Billa, for 7 days judicial custody. Silome James for 14 days judicial custody and this Lokendra and Billa 7 days judicial custody.
Okay.